Steni Facades with Revit, Part 1, Creating Panel Facades. Start by creating a wall type that has a finish layer suitable for Steni panels. Assign wall type to walls you want to add facade panels. Activate Steni application on Ribbon tab add-ins. Steni Ribbon tab contains functions to add and modify facade panels. Select Place Panels. On Place Panels window, you can select panel pattern, panel size and colors for panels. Select pattern and panel size. You can also create own patterns and panel sizes if needed. You can adjust origin of the pattern and vertical and horizontal offsets for pattern. Next, add colors to panels. You can select one or multiple colors. Steni standard colors are available in 3 gloss levels. You are also able to select stone colors in Steni Nature palette. You can adjust the number of panels containing certain color by changing percentage value by color. You can also lock one value and adjust other colors. When the pattern and colors are defined, select wall to which you want to add panels. You can change pattern and colors also after creating the facade. If you select OK again after creating the facade, you will get new alternative distribution of colors. You can assign same definitions to several walls. Select New Wall and OK. If you select one panel on the facade, you can see that it is a part object and has color definition based on Steni palette. You can manage visibility of parts on View Properties.